So it's just around a month since Xiaomi launched its Xiaomi Pad 8 series in China. Now, even though the lineup is still waiting for the global launch, but here we go. For the fans, a leak has already shared about the variants of the Xiaomi Pad 9 and the markets where they will debut. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, according to the leak, similar to the Pad 8 series, the Xiaomi Pad 9 series will have two variants, the standard Xiaomi Pad 9 and the Pad 9 Pro. So, for the markets, as per the leak, the Xiaomi Pad 9 series will launch in most markets around the world. However, not in the Japanese market. Also, the Indian market will only receive the standard Pad 9. It's not surprising since Xiaomi is doing the same with the previous generations. No Pro variants for the Indian market like Pad 7 Pro and Pad 6 Pro. Now, for the specs, of course, it's too early since the Pad 8 series is still waiting for its global launch. But we could see pretty powerful specs on the Pad 9 series, especially on the Pro variant. Like the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro launched with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is one step down from currently the top-notch Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. So at the launch of the Pad 9 Pro, which will happen next year, we could have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 running the Pad 9 Pro. Size-wise, if the Pad 9 series follows their predecessors, we can expect both will offer an 11.2 inches display size. Anyway, there is plenty of time till the Pad 9 series will see the daylight, but of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.